Hi everyone, this is Mahmood and I'm back with another video. This time it's a different format. This format was something that was coming to my mind for past couple of weeks, but I kept delaying it and procrastinating on it. So normally what I do is I build automations or voice agents and try to record a demo and post it on YouTube and LinkedIn. But this time I thought about creating a system that is a live requirement and building it out live. So I won't be building the complete automation, but just to give you an idea how to think in systems and not in terms of the tools, and also like what goes behind the scenes, like the thought process behind building an automation, uh, coming from an engineer's mind. And yeah, so this is real requirement and just posted like 5 to 10 minutes ago. And so the requirement is straightforward. The client wants daily Instagram reels to Google Sheets automation. So they are looking for something like that runs daily, and um, they have not mentioned which profile, but maybe they will give a certain profile that um that will, the automation will run daily and scrape all the reels and the date posted, video captions, views, likes, shares, comments, all these things should be saved in a Google Sheet. So this kind of automation is easy now thanks to Apify, and it's a tool that was introduced to us by Nick Sarai, the great. So so whenever this kind of scraping thing comes to mind, comes to the requirements, I uh, immediately think about Apify, which is a marketplace, which is like it has a lot of scrapers like LinkedIn scraper, jobs, um, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want. You can like search for actors and you can see if you can find something that is related to your requirements. So in this case, what we need is Instagram reel scraper download. Let's see this one. So we just need reels, the information about the reels, and if you see the information, this JSON is required. And so this is a profile that we have to pass, and we have to define how many reels we want, and then um, these are the custom requirements. So let's do it in make.com. So how you, like, normally I draw a whimsical or draw it on a paper or in Canva, but just to keep it short, I am against this method of drawing directly going to a system and make.com or N10 or Zapier. First, we need to, normally the process that I follow is to map out entire system in whimsical or any other flowchart diagram, and because that's the best way to do this kind of, like, any software development or any workflow automation. You should have a clear mapping first, and before building it out, you should build it out as a sketch. So what you do is run an actor. Here you can set a schedule, like once every day. You can set it out, like set out the time as well, and then uh, you have to choose the actor. In our case, we'll choose this one. Once the actor runs, you'll have to fetch the dataset items. So dataset ID you can get from here, this one. And yeah, one more thing, you have to pass the input JSON that we saw here. You have to pass this inside. So I'm not going to do this right now. First of all, just so in Google Sheets, you have to create a Google Sheet and map out the columns one by one. The results that you get from this module, get dataset items, and you can one by one populate into the Google Sheet. So this is pretty straightforward because of the fact that we have these scrapers available in Apify. But Normally, if the scraper is not available or is expensive, you'll have to find some other way. But this is pretty straightforward. Yeah, sorry for the dumb video. If this sounds useful, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see these kind of videos again, I'm not sure, but yeah, let me know, and I'll try to make one every other day if I find any such requirement on Upwork or any other project anywhere that I feel that I can map it out quickly, just to see, because building whole system takes time and effort. So even my own whatever requirements I get from clients, I can try to build it out live if there is enough interest. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you need some help in your automation, and if you need help building voice agents or chat agents or any kind of workflow automation, feel free to reach out using the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.